everyone, Simply Bonnie. I have another TJ Maxx video number 8. It's a really short one, so I'm going to go over a few things that I had found out recently. As you can see on the screen, BoxyCharm has been going through some changes. So if you are subscribed to BoxyCharm, make sure you go to their website and click on giveaways and be sure to take their beauty quiz that pertains to you. BoxyCharm updates bit coming soon. That's why I'm not going to go into too much detail about this. Now on the screen here, the things that I've purchased recently. I haven't bought anything for TJ Maxx because I had a few personal issues that I had to deal with this past week, so I was unable to do any TJ Maxx shopping. I had recently gotten this highlighter, the new Wet n Wild Zodiac Collection Loose Highlighter in Written in the Stars, and I also have another one for a giveaway, so stay tuned. It will be on my YouTube channel, and I know exactly when, but you'll have to stay tuned to see when. And as always, subscribe if you haven't done so already, as well as clicking that little bell right next to it so you can get notified every time that I upload a video like this. And hit that like button if you like these types of videos, and comment down below and let me know if you'd be interested in me doing BoxyCharm updates. Now on with the TJ Maxx video. Now we have the Stila All Day Foundation. The other one was a serum, but this is a foundation. It was in the color Hue, and they also had two other colors, and it was $7.99, and I'm going to show you the other color that they had. I didn't know what it was called because the sticker was over top of it. Next we have a Bare Minerals Bare Skin Pure Brightening Serum Foundation with SPF 20, and it was $9.99, and they had like 3 shades, and this one's in Bare Bulk 10, and the rest here I'll show you in a second, and I can never find a pale shade ever. Then we have Sleek Makeup Bronze Block, and it's in light. I'm pretty sure they had a medium as well, and it was $4.99. And it seems like there is like a bronzer and maybe a blush. And another Sleek Makeup product, the Color Corrector Palette. You got your greens, purples, blues, pinks, and whatnot for $4.99. Sleek Makeup Corrector and Concealer Palette. This one's in palette number 2. They also had a palette number 1 as well. And these were $4.99, and I'll get ready to show you the shade comparisons from the first one and the second one. And there you go, here's the comparison. Up next is the Bare Minerals Nothing Beats the Original, which has a primer, a brush, a powder, and the powder foundation. And this here is $16.99. They had a few shades. And then next was a full coverage concealer by Bare Minerals. And this here was in the shade Medium Neutral, and it was $5.99, which I don't think is too bad. And then I already know I showed this, the Metal Crush by Kat Von D, but this is a new color that I found, and it's in Dose. And these here are $6.99 as well, but I thought it was a pretty color. And then I know I already showed these a long time ago, but I really do think it's a really good deal. The Shiseido Oil Blotting Sheets, for 100 of them, only $9.99. Now I already showed these Stila blushes, the cream blush, but I wanted to show this again since it's going to be a short video. Sarah Smiles says that she really likes cream products, so I was wondering if you guys would like to see me do a video using only cream products. I think it would be a pretty interesting video. And again, this was $5.99, which I might pick that up if it's not that orange shade that it shows. I'm going to have to look that shade up online. Now back to the TJ Maxx finds. Here's a Bare Minerals Flawless Definition Mascara, and it was $5.99. I didn't know if you guys would be interested in that or not. I have so many mascaras right now, I could not try another. I still have a couple I haven't even tried yet. And as I was editing this video, I realized it was turning quickly into a Bare Minerals video, because here is a foundation brush by Bare Minerals. I don't use foundation brushes like this, the flat tip, but it was $12.99. If you're into that type of foundation brush, you know, it's by Bare Minerals. And here's Bare Minerals Gen Nude Lipstick. And here's Perf and hashtag Life Goals. I try to get pictures so I can insert them on the left side, but I couldn't find any, only one, and I will insert it. And they were $5.99, which isn't too bad because they run about $18. Marc Jacobs Lipstick. I know they normally sell these, or they have quite recently, but I didn't find this color before, which is Headliner, and it's like a deep maroon color. And last but not least, I was really excited to find this, and it was $7.99 for the Glam Glow Plumperageous Extreme Matte Lip Plumper. I was so excited that I had found this. I was so tempted to get this, but I didn't. And here's the colors Stacked and Body Double. I will try to look them up online and place the little insert here to show you the colors. So yeah, that concludes the TJ Maxx video number 8. And as I said before, these are some of the things that I purchased recently. And on my Twitter and Instagram, I showed you the difference between the Master Chrome by Maybelline and the Peach, and as well as the Rose Gold. And then the eyeliner is okay, and then the Wet n Wild highlighter is awesome. And then I got the Virgo Lippy as well to go with it from the Wet n Wild collection. And remember to keep an eye out for the Wet n Wild highlighter giveaway, as well as remembering to go on BoxyCharm and filling out your beauty profile. And again, as always, please subscribe if you haven't done so already, as well as clicking the little bell right next to it so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Hit that like button if you like these types of videos, and comment down below. Let me know if you want to see some BoxyCharm update videos. And be sure to follow all my social media, which is listed in my outro. And until my next video, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!
Crazy over you.